Make a great choice today with the 2013 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious, high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, remote engine start, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.